Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to cover how you can set up LinkedIn Insight tag on your website. So what is LinkedIn Insight tag? LinkedIn Insight tag will do what Facebook Pixel will do for you on your website. If you have TikTok Pixel installed on your website, that will allow you to create a marketing audience, track the impact of your campaigns and all. That is what LinkedIn Insight tag will do for you. So if you want to run a successful campaign on LinkedIn, you have to set up LinkedIn Insight tag on your website. So there are different ways you can set up LinkedIn Insight tag on your website. The first thing is you can install the pixel on yourself, by yourself rather. If you are a technical person, if you know how to manage codes on a website, if your website is built with WordPress or your website is built with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you have access to the code of the website, you can manage that. You can do that yourself. You can install the Insight tag yourself. If you are working alongside a developer, you can just send the LinkedIn Insight tag instruction to a web developer, and he or she will install the pixel on your website for you. And you can also use some partners like Google Tag Manager, like Zapier, HubSpot, and all. So in this video, I want to show you how you can install Google LinkedIn Insight tag on your website with Google Tag Manager. So I'm going to be using, this is the website we are using. This is my consulting website that we want to put LinkedIn Insight tag inside. So I also have my Google Tag Manager account for this website. If you look at, this is my Google Tag Manager account. If you are yet to, the first step to achieve this is to first put Google Tag Manager code on your website. This is if you come to your Google Tag Manager account. I have a video on my YouTube channel already that I will link it to in this video description on how you can set up Google Tag Manager on your website. So if you want to put Google Tag Manager on your website, this is the code you will put on your website. This first code will go on the head section of your website, while this second code will go after the opening body of your website. Once you are able to do this, if you can't do this on your own, you can also send this instruction to a web developer. He or she will help you put it on the website, and he or she will push it live. Once they do that, Google Tag Manager will be on your website. So the first thing for you to put LinkedIn Insight tag on your website using Google Tag Manager is to first integrate Google Tag Manager on that website first. Once you do that successfully, then the next thing you need to do is to go to, this is our LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager. If you have campaigns that are live, you will see everything here. So the next thing you do is to go to Analyze. Once you come to your campaigns manager, come to Analyze here, click on this drop down, then you come to Sources. Don't go to conversion tracking, go to Sources. If you go to Sources, you will see Connected. That is, connect and manage data sources. You know, data sources is also the same, is what you will see on Facebook Pixel, on Facebook Event Manager. Basically, Pixel are called data sources. So you see Insight tag unverified. It is not verified. So you see catalog, improve measurement and add performance by connecting to the third-party data source. I said you can connect LinkedIn Insight tag to your website using Zapier, Marketo. You can use Salesforce. You can use HubSpot. Then you can use Google Tag Manager. So for the sake of this video, we are using Google Tag Manager as our platform to integrate this. So you click on this Insight tag, this unverified, click on it. So if you click on it, you scroll down, you see, let me show you things you see here. Like I said earlier, you can choose how to install your tag. I will install the tag myself, get the code and add to your website. So you can, this is the code, you can add this code to your website. All you just have to do is to copy it. And this is the instruction here. Paste this inside tag code below in your website global footer, right above the closing HTML body tag. Adding the tag to the footer will let you track conversion and or retarget on any page across your whole website. So this is your first option. Your second option is to send it to a web developer. Once you get this code, you can email it to your web developer. Just send it to your web developer. Or the last one, which we will be covering in this video, is how we use a tag manager. So if you come to this drop down, we have different tag managers. We have Google tag managers, we have Datalion tag manager, we have Adobe tag manager, we have Floodlight tag manager. For the sake of this video, we are covering Google Tag Manager. And this is your partner ID that we need. This is you see, copy your partner ID and go to the tag manager you want to use. So this is what we need for our website. I will copy it for Google Tag Manager. So I'll copy it. Then I'll go back to my Google Tag Manager account. The first thing I need to do is to go to templates. If you come to templates, go to search gallery. Search gallery, that's the first thing you need to do. You go to template, navigate to search gallery, then you click on, you type inside the search bar, you type LinkedIn. So you see LinkedIn Insight Tag 2.0. You click on it, then you add it to your workspace. Add it to your workspace. You add it to your workspace. I believe it's been added to our workspace. Let me add it to our workspace. So can you see it's already added to our workspace? So the next thing you need to do after you add it to your workspace, you go to tags. Once you come to tags, you click on new here. Then you give it a name. You give your tag a name. Let's say LinkedIn. We can give it LinkedIn Insight Tag. You click on tag configuration, then you scroll down. Under custom, you select LinkedIn Insight Tag 2.0 that you just added to your workspace. You select this. Then what you need is your partner ID. Like I said, you need your partner ID, which you copy here. Let's come down, and this is it here. So what you will do is, once you come here, you won't paste this just like this. You won't paste this just like that. Don't paste it just like that. If you paste it just like this, it will work. It's not as if it won't work. But when you want to set up conversion tracking using the LinkedIn Insight tag, you have to be pasting the code again. It will ask you to paste the code again, which is a lot of stress. What you need to do is to create a constant. That constant will be something that is constant to the LinkedIn Insight tag. You don't have to create another one. So you come to this plus button to create a constant. Then you select this plus button, then you give this a name. Give it LinkedIn. Let's say we'll give it LinkedIn constant. You have to create a constant. Then you scroll down. Let me show you again. You select this. You scroll down and look for constants. You will see constants under utilities. Then you select constant. Once you select constant, you paste your partner ID, this partner ID, paste it inside the constant, then you select save. Once you select save, can you see we now have our constant ID? It is constant, it will not change. So, because if you want to set up events, if you want to set up conversion ID now, you just pick your constant, immediately. You don't have to paste the partner ID all the time. So once you do that, you come to triggering, that is trigger. The instruction on LinkedIn Insight tag is that the LinkedIn Insight tag should fire on all pages on your website. So once you come to this trigger, you see choose a trigger to make this tag fire. Then you select this. Then you select all pages. just select all pages so that it will be, the LinkedIn Insight tag will be on all pages on this website. So the next thing you need to do is to click on save. You save it. So once you save it, then you are good to go. What I need to do next is we need to ensure if this, what we just set up, we want to ensure if it is working or not. So what we will do is to click on preview, then pop in your website inside this preview mode. Then you click on connect. So if you come to our tag assistant, so can you see that our tag just fired? The LinkedIn Insight tag, can you see tags fired? The LinkedIn Insight tag that we just set up are just fired. That is to say, the LinkedIn Insight tag that we put on our website is working. So if I click on this tag that fired, you will see the LinkedIn constant that we've created, and you will see the firing triggers that it should fire on all pages. Everything is working fine. So once you confirm through the preview mode that it is working, it's working and it's active on your website, you go back to your Google Tag Manager account, because it is not live yet on your website. That's just a preview. You now come to this place and click on submit. Then you give it a name, that is, you want to publish it live. LinkedIn Insight tag. Then you can just say LinkedIn Insight tag on my website. LinkedIn Insight tag on my website, something like this, right? Then you publish. It is after you publish this that it is now on your website. It is now on your website. Ensure that the tags fires here, you see it under tags that fired. So once you do this, it is now live on your website because you've published it and you've pushed it live. So that's how you can set up LinkedIn Insight tag on your website using Google Tag Manager. If you have any questions, just drop the question in the comment section. I'm going to pick it up and I will provide answers to your questions. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to do that right away. Like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.